We have evening now and we're preparing a whole grain, no knead bread with wild yeast. And these are the different grains. This is spelt, oat and millet.
Spelt oat, so it's mostly spelt and oat with a little millet.
Yes.
Wow. Pour it in, perfect. Turn it on.
So here we go. We have all the flour milk.
Wow, that's really full.
Yeah, it's
Beautiful.
really beautiful flour. And here we have some caraway. We put this in.
Caraway seeds and salt.
And here I warmed up a little bit of water. It has to be faintly lukewarm. This is the wild yeast, which grew since last time when I made bread.
About a week ago.
Yeah.
And this is a video that shows how to make this. You can see.
Yeah. I take
Wild yeast.
mostly everything. I just have a little bit left here.
Yes, for the next batch.
Yes.
And the water.
And then I take the reverse of this spoon.
Spatula.
Yes. It's better to go easy with the water because you can't take it away. So, yeah, this looks pretty good. You see how it comes together. It's really neat. I have a little flour left over, which I will use. It's easier to handle it.
Mm-hmm. So you get it all coated with the flour.
Yes. Just leave everything here. And this is it.
So now you wait till tomorrow morning.
Yes, what we do is put it in a bag and then here in the oven we have a little light.
Yes.
And I put this on, turn it on and put this in and it will, now we have about 8 o'clock. Tomorrow at about 8 we'll take it out.
The heat from the lamp
Yeah, that's all it needs.
will keep it nice and warm and happy and the yeast growing.
All right, have a good night. Good morning, everybody. So now, here, first I like to show you, this is now the wild yeast.
You added some more.
Yeah, I fed it last night and it has little bubbles, tiny little bubbles already. So it will be fed for a week and then I make the next bread. So now we're looking what's happening in the oven here. It's nice and warm. It's so warm.
So for 8 hours it's been warming?
Yeah.
12 hours actually.
No, 12 hours, yes.
12 hours.
And
Oh,
here it is. It's very airy.
Yeah, it's risen a lot.
All right, so now this is the big part to make the shape we like to have. And to actually take it out here in one piece. And each time one can shape it as one feels. It's good if it has some flour underneath so it doesn't stick to the paper. So now I have it.
Very good.
Make it really rustic.
Put some flour over the top.
Yeah, the rest of the flour. Put it back into here, and then it will rest and rise, get comfortable for an hour. Put it back in the oven, and then like in 45 minutes I will come back and warm up the oven, preheat it.
Great.
All right, see you in a while. So here we're back, and this is the risen. That's how it looks right now, right here. And we'll put it in the preheated oven, 400 degrees, and for 45 minutes it will be in here. I'll have then the first look, and then see you again. And now it should be ready. Let's peek into the oven.
Great. Aha.
Ooh, yes.
There it
yes,
is.
Yes.
Bread.
Here it is.
Beautiful. It smells so good in here. Ah. Okay.
Yeah, so look at this, how it has risen. This is more a European bread, and very healthy. You can turn it around and knock, and if it sounds hollow. So this is the result.
Wow.
Here it is. So enjoy. I hope you will try it out, making a bread. It's really good for us to have grains with the fresh veggies and herbs and fruits. Thank you so much, and see you again.